In this video, I will show you how to fix Steam login error. So you can see here, I've currently got the login screen for Steam opened, and I've definitely got the correct password, but when I'm clicking on sign in, it's not actually signing me into my account. Now, the number one reason this happens is due to the account name section. So what you want to do is make sure you are using your account name and not your actual profile display name. To actually find out what your account name is, what you can do is come down to your search box in your taskbar at the bottom. In here, you want to type File Explorer and then open up your File Explorer underneath Best Match. Now from here, if you come over to the left and you want to scroll down and click onto this PC and then go onto your C drive, or if you have an external drive where Steam is installed, of course click that as well. What you can then do is come down and click onto Program Files x86 and look for the Steam folder. So it is in alphabetical order, so you want to come down to S and you should see your Steam folder. Double click to open this up. And then what you want to do is double click onto the config folder. So it's all in alphabetical order. Just look for C, double click onto the config folder. And once you've done that, you want to look for the config file, which is just here. So what you want to do is click to select it. And then if you right click onto this, click onto open with, you want to actually open this with your notepad. So what that's going to do is open up your notepad so you can see it looks like this. From here, if you hold down Control and press F on your keyboard, and what you want to type in the find box is account, just like this, hit enter on your keyboard, and that's going to take you down to the account section down here. So from here, you're going to see all the accounts that have been logged into Steam, and from here, you're going to find the actual account name for each account. So here it is here. What I'm going to do is just copy this. And we're going to come back to the Steam login screen. Let's just close this down. So instead of Tech Tutor, I'm going to put my actual account name, which is this one here. I know the password is correct already. And then what I'm going to do is click on to sign in, and we should now successfully be able to sign into our Steam account. So if that's not working for you, or maybe you just don't know what your account name is, what you can do from the login screen is come down and click the link down here, which says help, I can't sign in. What that's going to do is open the Steam support page, and then you can select I forgot my Steam account name or password. From here, you can then enter the email address or phone number associated with your account. Click search, and that's going to bring up your account from here. And then of course you can follow your steps to either recover your account name or your password. So that is how to fix Steam login error. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe for more Steam and simple tech tutorials. And with that being said, I will see you in the next video.